Hello viewers, today we're going to do a vintage box fan showdown. Today we're going to be comparing a Dayton by Lakewood, basically a rebadged Lakewood P223 versus a General Electric W25. So we're going to go ahead and start with the W25 first, since that's a really cool fan. And we're going to let you hear the epic startup sound. The General Electrics are well known for being notoriously difficult to service, especially when it comes to taking the rear cap off for the bearings to be serviced and oiled. One thing I wish I had was an oil part. And then all you have to do, just throw a little oil in the oil part and the fan will run just fine. So basically we're just going to say whoever approved this type of Fireball export motor housing should be fired. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and we'll start her up and give her a cold start. There she goes, she's running. She woke right up from the cold. She is throwing a nice amount of air. Not gonna lie. These are, even though despite being difficult to service, these are probably some of the best GE box fans that were ever made. Not only the F11W series, the 3-wing box fans, but also the big 5 wings like this one. She is running beautifully. She's up to full speed. And she purrs like a kitten. Super quiet. She runs very efficiently. I'll put her right in the windstream. If I come back about 20-30 feet, I can still feel a breeze. That is just how powerful these General Electric box fans are. I would definitely take one of these over a shit 3733. Definitely runs really, really nice. Nice slow low. Super smooth rudder. Go ahead and shut her down. Like I said, she does need a little bit of oil, but works super well. Probably one of the best box fans I've ever had. And this was my exact childhood fan. So now we're going to come over to the Dayton. All right, we just had a hilarious failure from the Dayton. She doesn't want to run. Absolutely hilarious failure of the Dayton by Lakewood. Basically, the GE said, screw you, I win. So, unfortunately, the GE wins the showdown. Good job, General Electric. Sorry, Dayton, you tried rebadging Lakewood. But we will fix this bad boy up and get her running again. Thank you for watching.